We're working so hard to promote the tourism of our very own country. Marami sa atin gusto mag-destination wedding, but maybe for some of us in this lifetime, it's not a possibility. It's so expensive traveling out there and then doing your wedding in a country like Bali, diba? Napakaganda ng concept, but you guys know, our country, our region very specifically, has so many wedding destination and honeymoon options. And we're gonna learn all about that from none other than the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism of Region 11. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause please for Arditania Rabatan.
Good afternoon, mabuhay, madayaw. I'm happy to be joining you this afternoon and do a presentation on why Davao is an appealing place for a destination wedding. So the first question that if you're planning for a destination wedding, the first question that would probably enter your mind is, why Davao, right? So why Davao? First, I just like to show you this image here. Next slide, please. That according to the World Travel Index, and this is very recent, Davao came out rank 1, no, or the top best city to visit in the Philippines. And we're very, very proud of this. And what are the considerations, no, to become the best city to visit? So you see on the screen there are 4 categories. We have affordability, fun, safety, and overall worth. So the ranking shows which cities offer the best conditions for good travel experience. And you know, when you plan a destination wedding, you just don't really have in your mind the wedding event itself, because you have guests traveling all the way probably from other countries or other regions, and you also want to make sure that the guests attending your wedding also have some, things to do in that place. And it is based again on these 4 key factors. So Davao offers affordable yet highly quality venues and suppliers and services. And then for travel and accommodation and wedding packages, you also have budget-friendly without compromising the quality of your event. And for, Davaoenos, we're very known for being friendly. Yung mga taga Davao, nag-agree ba kayo?
Yes! Yes!
We're very friendly, respectful, yes, accommodating,
yes,
competitive,
yes.
So these are, I believe, essential qualities for hosting guests. And we are also known for our low crime rate and disciplined community and well-maintained public spaces. So, and speaking of the cultural diversity, we have a blend of cultural diversity. It adds depth and color to wedding destinations and celebrations. I'll show you later. But another key point why we are an appealing destination is also because of our connectivity. So when it comes to accessibility, our destination is well connected. So you can see our direct international flights flying to Davao. So we have Doha, Thailand, Singapore, Hong Kong, and if you have guests coming all the way from Australia, they can easily take the Singapore route and other connections. And for domestic flights, we have numerous flights as well. Now we're connected to 12 different cities. And for speaking of Manila and Cebu, we have numerous flights in a day. So another quality or appealing aspect for Davao is also, again, I'll mention and highlight our culture and hospitality. Next slide. So this is actually one of our biggest strengths. It is our culture and hospitality. So again, We are genuinely warm and very welcoming. And speaking of culture, we have still very rich traditions. So talking of cuisine, no, dance, music. So Davao has a very dynamic and a very ripe creative industry. So if you speak of the 7 different creative fields, like music, gastronomy, crafts, film, literature, media arts, design, so which all can form part of the experiences of our guests. So definitely I can safely say that Davao is already a dynamic hub for creative industries. Next, Davao, it's one of the major MICE destinations in the Philippines, with the presence of facilities that we have been hosting international and national conferences already. And MICE, it's really a showcase of our local creativity, and every element from stage design to food integrates creative industries as well, and turns our formal events also can be cultural experiences and music and crafts and gastronomy and many more. I'm just stressing this because the mere fact that we are a MICE destination and an established one at that, then meaning we're also very much ready for destination weddings. So just to show you, next slide please, we have wide range of venues from beachfront resorts with sunsets to mountain hideaways surrounded by nature. These resorts offer full-service wedding packages, accommodations, ceremonies, and receptions all in one place. And we have a number of growing world-class hotels, resorts, and event spaces. So these venues provide professional event planning, catering, and accommodation packages ideal for destination weddings. If you see the one there at my left portion of the slide, we recently visited that and soon it will also be open. It's actually a vineyard, local vineyard here in Davao City. A very nice, very good place also for a destination wedding. Next slide. So, I guess I've established that Davao is a MICE destination. So, of course, we have expert planners, no? And also florists. All the suppliers that you need is very much available here. And we have world-class photographers, videographers, and of course, the caterers here serve everything, no? From gourmet, international, to authentic local dishes. And from every detail, no? From styling, I guess weddings is also about details. So from styling to entertainment, it's we also have professionals who understand, no, the importance, of course, of your big day. So next slide. So it just shows really our readiness, and from hair and makeup artists to photo video production, and for restaurants, no, we also offer fresh delicacies, no, and of course the fruits, the abundant fruits that we have here. And also farm-to-table ingredients, no, ensuring delicious and memorable reception menu. Local chefs can craft your Filipino or international cuisine to suit the taste of our guests. And for recreational activities, no, we do not run out of this. And there's really always something for every type of traveler here. So from shops to, for, let's say, local crafts, and also for designer pieces and unique souvenirs. And we also have golf courses here in the city. We have 3, in fact, 18-hole golf courses here. And also from fine dining as well to authentic street food. And of course, we also have live entertainment and cultural performances to enjoy. So many recreational activities definitely that your guests can enjoy, or even the principal also can enjoy. And transportation, I guess I showed you earlier, our international and domestic flights. But really, no, from airport transfers to private vans, cars, and even boat transfers, everything is really easy to arrange. And our resorts often include complimentary shuttles and local transport options, making it more convenient for our guests. So it's between the hotels, the venue, and whatever attractions. Our guests just can, simply relax and enjoy their experience here because we take care of everything. And we also work closely, next slide, with our trusted DOT accredited travel agents and tour operators. They can help us, you coordinate on your flights, accommodation, and guest itineraries, often securing group discounts and custom packages. So they also ensure that our couples and the guests have smooth and worry-free travel experience. So, of course, we also have our DOT accredited, very capable tour guides, and they really play a key role in making the experience of our guests meaningful. So they're very knowledgeable and friendly, providing rich insights about Davao's culture, history, and hidden gems. And when you're here, when people are here for a wedding and coming from far-flung areas, normally they could stay here for 1 week or more, and there are so many things that they can do. I'm just quickly sharing with you the available and the latest newly launched tour packages that we have for you to better experience Davao. So next slide, for couples and guests looking to explore, there are countless tour options. So you can discover our historical landmarks. Next slide. And join island hopping, or immerse yourself in eco tours and cultural excursions. These experiences definitely make the wedding celebration even more memorable, and in fact turning it as well as a true vacation for everyone. I'm just next slide. So on the screen you will see a QR code. It's really a travel guide to Davao. You will see here our key activities and the key attractions that we offer here, and also guide to your MICE venues with all the necessary information that you need. And of course, we're on Facebook. Next slide. So please visit us on our page, Department of Tourism, Davao Region. And really the tagline of Davao is diversity is our beauty. So our appeal really runs from our islands to highlands and just really makes it more appealing for our guests to choose our place as a wedding destination. That's all for my presentation this afternoon. Daghang salamat.
Thank you, RD Tanya Rabatan. Daghang salamat.